I have to indicate I've done something else now.
Turning right.
I can't.
Whenever you're ready, we'll drive on.
Where's green? Oh, 2 magpies.
Good luck.
Supposed to be, yeah. Pairs.
They mate for life.
I've been seeing a lot of one magpies and he's bad fortune and all sorts of bad luck and lost a soulmate or some bullshit like that. I didn't really like that one. Wait, stop or something? No. I could have went, couldn't I? Can I go? Now.
Is it safe to go now?
Technically, yes, because no.
Is it?
No. Can I go back?
No.
No? Not even a little bit, because
We have a pedestrian behind us, don't we? They might try
Yeah.
to use the crossing.
Okay.
Yeah,
We'll have to wait.
We've got school kids and stuff.
Tell me when to go. Should I go now?
Let's take a deep breath.
I want to just quickly squeak by, because no one's moving. No, we can't.
It's very stabby. Try not to poke the gas pedal. Just try to press it. It'll be easier with the motion. Gentle, soft. See how we're going on and off quite fast. Try not to do that. It's very awkward, isn't it? Can you feel it? Stop. We don't even need to stop here, do we?
Just looking.
roundabout, turn right.
I know where we are.
Do you know your right hand?
No, sorry, that way. Do I have to indicate? I've done something else now.
Turning right.
I can't. Sorry. Can you do this for me, please? Lower the windscreen wiper, please. Thank you. You have to teach me how to do that.
Traffic lights, turning right. Traffic lights, turning right. Super close there.
Sorry, going quickly.
And take the next. It's a little bit further up.
Fleming Way.
Yeah. Next left, just here.
Sorry, that was my fault.
Turning right for me, please.
Right.
Mm-hmm. Okay, try to avoid the metal bit if possible. Try to avoid the metal bit if possible. There's a metal bit right there, yeah?
Where?
Right there.
Do you want to go back?
No, you can see it there?
Yeah.
Yeah, just try and avoid it. Thank you.
Oh gosh.
Nice and slow, please. Nice and slow. Slow, please. Can you signal left? Can you just slowly move? See that space there?
Mm-hmm.
You just pull up in that space and just come across here and just see that space there.
I'm scared.
Just slow and just go gentle.
Yes, I'm good. I'm good.
Yeah, nice and slow. Very close here. Alright, that's slow. And just stop us here.
You're the first person. Okay. I'll do.
Thank you. And just push the power button. Alright. So they just finished their test. We're here at Isleworth. What do you reckon? Did they pass or fail?
I have no idea. It should be easy to pass.
Can you see them in the blue car over here?
Mm-hmm.
You see the person on the passenger side?
Mm-hmm.
They just finished their test.
Yeah.
Do you think they passed?
I have no idea. Probably. Shouldn't see why not. Shouldn't see why not.
Okay. And if you were in a driving test just now, what do you reckon? Pass or fail?
Probably pass me.
Pass, okay.
I'm not too sure. Hopefully. I don't see why not.